Visma EasyCruit is excited to introduce its newest feature, video applications. When creating a new vacancy, recruiters can request candidates to apply using video, making the screening process more efficient. How does this work? Let's find out. In the vacancy, you can easily add as many video questions as you want the applicants to answer.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I am recording this for recently published vacancy on EasyCruit.
I've been working as a product designer for the last 10 years.
I am applying for this position because your company has good reputation and work culture.
Please consider the following qualifications attached to my job application.
Videos are submitted directly in EasyCruit, where the recruiter can easily review and provide feedback to the applicants. The recruiter gets a more genuine impression of the applicant through video, which makes it easier to identify the most promising candidates for the position.